The Trigis has the following features: Vango lifetime guarantee. Fire retardant fabrics reduce the possibility of ignition from naked flames. Protex 3000 polyester fly sheet. Durable, totally waterproof and resistant to colour fade. Powerflex fiberglass poles. Tough, sturdy and reliable. TBS2 tension band system ensures the tent performs in adverse weather. Sewn-in ground sheet, fully enclosed to protect against drafts and bugs. Inner pockets and hanging organisers keep those essentials close at hand. Matching accessories include sleeping bags, furniture, windbreaks and sun canopies. Oversized saddlebag for ease of packing and transport. The Trigis 400 has 2 long poles, 1 medium pole and 1 short brow pole. The Trigis 600 has 2 long poles, 2 medium poles and 1 short brow pole. The Trigis 800 has 3 long poles, 2 medium poles and 1 short brow pole. You may also have 2 steel king poles. Assemble the poles and lay them on the ground. The poles are colour-coded to match the corresponding pole sleeve entry points. Open out the fly sheet and position it in the required direction. Insert the main poles through the colour-coded pole sleeves on the outside of the fly sheet. On one side of the fly sheet, loosen the tension straps and locate one end of each pole into the metal pin system at the end of the pole sleeve. Follow the fly sheet seam down to find the correct pin system. Push each pole into an arch from the opposite end. Loosen the strap and locate the pole end onto the corresponding metal pin. Peg out one end of the tent at the main corners using the steel V-channel pegs, loosening the adjustment straps first. Pull the tent forward until taut. And peg out the main corners at the other end with V-channel pegs. Ensure the tent is in a straight line. The ground sheet should be flat and wrinkle-free. Insert the brow pole above the side door, inserting the ends into the pockets on the fly sheet. Clip the fly sheet onto the poles, tighten the tension straps and secure the tent using pin pegs through the ring and pin system. Peg out any remaining pegging points using V-pegs through the D-rings on the webbing straps and pin pegs through the elastic loops. Peg out all the guy lines using pin pegs, ensuring that the guy-lined fabric attachment points are evenly tensioned. Peg the ground sheet flat when the door is open and toggle it up when the door is closed. Open out the inner tents inside the fly sheet and position the doorways to correspond with the living area. Starting from the rear corners of the tent, attach the elasticated hooks on the ground sheet to the corresponding rings on the fly sheet anchor straps. Suspend the inner by attaching the toggles of the inner tent through the rings on the inside of the fly sheet. Do the rear first and work forwards. The centre elastics are colour-coded. Attach the base of the pelmet to the attachment points on the front of the inner. Taking the tent down is the reverse of putting it up. Remove the inner tents. Unpeg the guy lines. Remove the brow pole. Unpeg all the pegging points. Release the pins from the poles. Push the poles out of the sleeves. Fold the inners and the fly sheet to fit the bag and pack away.